Hey there guys, today I'm going to change out the battery from this key fob, which belongs to a Mercedes E320 2003 I believe. So it takes these CR2025 batteries, which I got from Amazon for a pretty good price. I'll link the batteries plus any tools I use today in the description of this video if you guys are interested. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I got to do is basically, there's this little lever, push forward, and then you can pull this key out from inside the fob. There's this little gray lever in there. There it is, that little gray lever, which you can push to the side. I'm going to use the key of the car to sort of show you guys what I mean. See how you can push it? So you're going to have to push that in like that, and while you're pushing it in, this whole back portion here, you can pull it out. Put this in. I'll hold it like that. I'm going to go ahead and try using the pliers first. But if I feel like I'm damaging it, I'll probably switch over to my hands. There we go. Now that we got that out, there's like this little chip in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a chip in there. And actually, I bought a new case to put over this chip. So these key fobs, you can change the cases. As you can see, this one is a bit damaged. It's a little bit ripped up down here. And yeah, it's getting pretty old, this one. It's got beaten up. And I got a new case for it. I'm thinking about changing it right now, since I'm going to be changing the battery anyway. What I got to do is I got to get the circuitry out of there, the circuit board out from inside, so that I can go ahead and change the case. I'm going to see if I can use these needle nose pliers to just kind of grab it and pull it out of there without breaking it. There we go. Starting to come out. So it did actually break a little bit. Looks like this is supposed to go this way. And I did break this a little bit, but I think it'll still work. This little tab here. See that little piece? It broke from this corner here. But I think I could still get it to work, so it's no big deal. Let's go ahead and get the new case. So here's the new key fob case. I'll have the link to this in the description of this video as well, if you guys are interested. It comes with this little placeholder key. You can just go ahead and remove that. Let's see here. There you go. And then you could put your own key inside, the one that already came with your car. Just like that. So this is actually supposed to be this direction, like so, facing that way, and then going to put it in the case this way, like that. Push it in until you feel that that's all the way in. There you go. So now that's all the way in. You could go ahead and use this new back part. Just put the new batteries in there. So let's go ahead and do that now. You're gonna go in like this. There you go. 2 batteries are in. Now you're gonna get the new case, slide this into it. There's only one way it can go in, so slide it in like that. And then press it in hard. Let's see, maybe we're gonna need to push this in again. There you go. And it's snapped into place. Now we can go ahead and put our old key back into it, and voila, we have ourselves a nice new case. Let me go ahead and peel this piece off of the back. There you go. Looks just like the original one. Okay. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope I was able to help you guys out. Once again, if you guys need any of the stuff, pliers, the new key fob case, the battery pack, if you guys need any of these things, I'm gonna have the links to them in the description of this video. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see other videos that I make in the future, and also it helps support this channel.